This is the best recipe for a delicate pastry. It's one of our popular pastries that should be just as fluffy and spongy. First, mix 70 grams of flour with 25 grams of cornstarch and 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder and set it aside. Now, take 3 eggs that must be cold, separate the yolks and whites, and put the whites in the freezer. In the meantime, beat the yolks with half of the sugar in the recipe and now add vanilla essence, using a mixer on high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes. During this time, make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl once or twice. The mixture should become voluminous and creamy in color. Set this aside. Now, take the egg whites out of the freezer. First, beat them with a mixer on medium speed until they become frothy. Then add half a teaspoon of lemon juice or cream of tartar. Now, set the mixer to high speed. Gradually add the remaining sugar, and continue beating until the whites form peaks. Make sure to add the sugar gradually so the whites don't become watery. Beat until stiff peaks form. After this stage, do not overbeat, as the whites will become watery. The fluffiness of the egg whites is very important in this pastry. It's important. Now, we add the egg yolk mixture to it. Gently fold the mixture with a spatula. You must not stir it. You should fold it over. Now, sift the dry ingredients we had in 2 stages over this mixture. Again, use the spatula to fold it just until it's combined evenly. Pour this mixture into a piping bag with a plain nozzle and start piping with a little space in between. Make sure to hold your hand steady. Then sift powdered sugar over them and place them in the hot oven. After baking, let them cool and then separate them from the paper. Now, to whip the sweet cream, take the cream out of the freezer. Let it thaw about 70%, then first beat it with the mixer on low speed for about 30 seconds, and then start mixing on high speed until it forms peaks and loses its glossy appearance. Now, spread some of the cream on one layer of the sponge and place the next layer on top. Decorate it with pistachio powder. Enjoy your meal.